The clock is ticking and the race is on, but this is not just any race. This is the race to create a machine that could think, learn, and even surpass human intelligence. Welcome to the world of AGI, artificial general intelligence. But what exactly is AGI, and why should you care? Let's break it down. Right now, most of the AI we interact with is what we call narrow AI. It is great at specific tasks like recognizing your face in photos or recommending what to watch next on Netflix. It cannot think or adapt beyond its programming. But that is about it. AGI, or artificial general intelligence, on the other hand, is a whole different ballgame. Imagine an AI that is not just good at one thing, but can do virtually anything a human can do, like learn new skills and solve problems it has never encountered before, and even innovate in ways we have not imagined. Let's take an example. Picture a doctor's assistant powered by AGI. This AI does not just diagnose common illnesses based on symptoms, but it dives deep into a patient's medical history, scans thousands of medical research papers in seconds, and even collaborates with other AGIs around the world to come up with the best treatment plan. All of this happens faster and more accurately than any human could manage. But AGI is not just limited to medicine. Imagine it being your personal tutor capable of teaching you anything, from quantum physics to playing the guitar. Of course, with all this potential comes some pretty big questions. How do we make sure AGI remains aligned with human values? What happens if AGI becomes too powerful or starts to make decisions that are in our best interests in? These are the challenges that researchers and ethicists are working on right now. Whether it becomes our greatest tool or our biggest challenge depends on the choices we make today.